Well, hello guys. Cody here's back, and today I'm going to be covering event listeners on mostly buttons. Yeah, I'm going to talk about buttons and the event listeners. Um, what sort of events, what sort of replies should they, what sort of functions should they run, what sort of replies should they give, etc., etc. I'm going to be showing some of the most popular options about all that. And then that's all I'm gonna be doing today. And then yeah, I'm just taking the opportunity of the circuit breaker and lockdown to create wonderful videos for you people. Okay, so let's start up. Okay, I'm gonna start with my index.html and app.js. App. Starting to hate this segment of it. Delete app. Okay, so I'll start with exclamation point, um, event listeners, and I'm just gonna make h1 button below, button id of button. I'm just gonna make it as click me. Okay, so let's just run this with live server, and to teach you I'm gonna be using a documentation, a JavaScript documentation, where I get some of the various where I get the various event listeners. I'm gonna be giving the link for this in the description below, where you can get all sorts of events where you can do anything you like for that. So yeah, I'm gonna be using these documentations for the purpose. So let's start with getting back. Is this the one? The shorts. Okay. So I get into app.js and I import it. This is the way you import anything with an ID. Const button equals document dot get element by ID. Button. Okay, so we have successfully imported the button, and now when we click it, we're gonna get it to do something. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. So it takes a parameter here. What sort of event type would you like to call it? I'm gonna start with the basic and the one that you'll see most often. Just click. Takes an arrow function in case you don't know what they are. I suggest you check out the video on arrow functions and regular functions. So we do is peek. Oh, yep. Sorry, that's the syntax. And then what we want to do now is probably a simple operation, probably a console.log. Okay, so we save that. Get back here, we inspect the page. We go to the console, click this. So click. Probably this is. Let's see how our debugging skills are. Okay, button ID, click me. ID is button, const button, document get element by ID button, button dot add event listener, console log button is clicked. So why doesn't it work? Okay, let's put it side by side. Click. Did I do this properly? What actually went wrong? The button is clicked, right? And then we put the click to it. If it's clicked, we need to call this arrow function button id of button, and it says click me. I'll just save it and try again. Inspect. Let's inspect this button id button. Okay. So let's try and click it there. Very center. What happens? Nothing happens. Let's go to the script of this. DL and breakpoints, event listeners. We don't have an event listener here. Resolve event listener category. Then refresh. Am I sure that there's nothing? I'm so stupid. God, I forgot to even put the scripts tag into there. Sorry, guys. Big mistake. Slash app.js. Now it's gonna work. I thought something was wrong with my big code after all. See, button is clicked. See, these are the very small mistakes that can cost you a lot of time. And then I'm just lucky I found it actually, because I totally forgot about all that. And then yeah, this is the quick listener, and then we can focus out. No, not that. See, no, not animation because we're not using it. Not transition. Reset. Submit. No, we're not. If you're using form, then you can submit. Document view has been resized. Okay. If the document view has been resized, let's try that. Just be really sure of it. Resize. Okay. Window dot add event listener. It's not exactly the button. Resize arrow function. Window has been resized. But usually it actually runs some sort of operation, that sort of stuff. But right now, oops. My parents watch that stuff on my laptop. See, I'm recycling it so many times. Yep, even one pixel makes a huge difference. Yep. See, window has been resized. Call that. And then let's get back into the documentation and see if there are any other. What did I just do? Localhost 5500. Yep, still works. Click resize. That works. So let's see. Scroll. Add another event listener to window. Scroll. That's what I'm gonna keep. Not scroll down or up. That just seems so weird, obnoxious. I can't actually scroll here, can I? In order for me to be able to, I'm just gonna input a little bit of CSS into here. Style.css. Let's see. I'm gonna keep h2 here. Whoops. Okay, let me go back to my style.css. h2. height top. Is there height top? I don't think so. I mean height 1000 will be each for fun. Let's just go with that. I have to link it instead of making all the stupid mistake as last time. Let's link this. Yep. There you go. Yeah, you see you get the scrolled option. You still have the resize option. Click option. Click, 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 click. Okay. So, yep. That's 3 of these options that I've shown. Get the whoops right there, but yep. Min height's still down there. And then let's see. Full screen, full screen. Oh, okay, let's do key down. I've never tried keyboard events before. Let's try. This is gonna be nice. Window dot. I don't know if it's even for the window. Let's do it. Key down. Console log it out. Been clicked. Oops. Fingers crossed. Hope this works. It works. Woo. So nice. And I just want to try out all of the other stuff as well. Hope it works. So, I think with by knowing how these work, automatically the rest of them you will know it. So, pointing device is pressed on an element. Pointing device is moved on to the element that has the listener at that. Mouse leave. Mouse move, mouse over. The wheel button of the pointing device is rotated in any direction. Okay, let's talk about another one. Arrow function again. Console.log. I have never tried this also, so since I'm gonna be scrolling on the laptop and the mouse because I'm essentially using the trackpad of the keyboard, but it still takes that into account. So let's check out more. Double click. Okay. So I'm just gonna attach this an ID. ID of H2 end. I hope my commands are right now because I'm just gonna import that const and equals okay and add event. Double click n dot style dot color. Let's change it to red. Okay, let's try that. If it works, oh wow! I feel so happy. I've never tried this. I seem to be knowing my stuff pretty well. Probably some text is being selected. Same thing again. And dot and listener. What's that again? Select. Oops. Select. And then and the dot style dot background, background color equals, let's see, Alice blue, or actually light blue. Let's try that. Mm, oh, I can see that. It's real faint. I'm gonna see if I can zoom it in. Okay. There's a faint color. Okay, let me try black. It's more obvious. Black. Hmm, doesn't work. Some text is being selected. Well, maybe that's not how it works. The dot style dot. Let's just say color equals white. Okay. Isn't the default white? Probably we can't see while highlighting it. Let's just try for the sake of it. I don't think we can actually see because it covers or gets a view over that. So I don't think we can actually do that. Now, what else can we use? Drag. Drop. Complete. Like I said, there's so many of these that you can basically try all of them, but I'm not gonna be doing all of them because you won't be using all of them, or yeah, you won't be actually be required to use all of them. Like mostly 99% of the time I'm gonna be using click, and then in case you use some other stuff, I'm gonna be teaching you that there and then, so it doesn't actually matter. I think yeah, we're done. I think this particular code, I don't think for this you'll be able to actually see the output. Um, I'll put it down in the comments if I find out anything about it that I can. And then let me know in the comments if you wanna have a calculator app being built in the next episode with HTML, and then making styles for the CSS, and then the whole functionality of a calculator. Let me know in the comments if you want that for the next episode. And then thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.